In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change right hand to left hand in Minecraft Bedrock, Java, or mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see here, I'm able to use my left hand as my main one in Minecraft Java. So first, I'm going to teach you how to do this on Java, and then I'm going to be talking about this feature in Minecraft Bedrock, which also includes mobile. So this option is essentially going to invert the main and offhand. The main hand becomes left and the offhand becomes right. To do this, you have to pause the game at any point. You don't have to back out of the save. So if you are already in game, just go over to options, skin customization, and you will find it here, main hand. So you can change it between the right hand and the left hand. So as you can see, the changes took effect immediately. This will work on multiplayer, single player. It doesn't require any mods. So just go over to options, skin customization, and change the option here. Simple and extremely simple to do. So if I don't hold anything, you will also notice that my hand appears on the left. This isn't going to impact gameplay. It is simply a personal preference thing. Now, regarding Minecraft Bedrock, sadly, this feature seems to not be available in there. So, for Bedrock on consoles, PC, or mobile, it seems like you will not be able to use your left hand as the main one for every single item and tool. For whatever reason, even though this skin customization option has been available on Java for years now, they still haven't ported it over to Bedrock. So sadly, as it stands today, according to all the research that I've done, it is impossible to use your left hand as the main one in Minecraft Bedrock. But for Java, it's as simple as going over to the skin customization option. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.